What's good, everybody? Let's get right into this, bro. This is literally probably like day three, bro. Probably day four of making this app. So let's get into this, bro. All right, so boom. There's a lot of updates that I did, and right now I'm still kind of currently updating just for mobile because the mobile is kind of glitched right now. So I'm just updating mobile right now. So boom. Let's get right into it. Overview. As you guys can see, it's still the same thing. Still the same. You guys can still flip right here. Still the exact same. P&L calendar. Still the exact same. Video. All right. So here's like what I changed with the video. The video, it still works. Everything is good. I don't know if I talked about this in the last one, but the videos obviously do play. So you just gotta, like, I do gotta fix this a little bit so like it actually saves, because it's still kind of a little glitchy in a way. But I think it might save on the cloud. I don't know where it just. Oh, that's wrong. Okay. Upload it as a cloud. I don't know if it actually did, but it's a little glitchy, bro. I gotta fix that, bro. I gotta fix that. But let's start off. Let's sign out with this real quick. All right, boom. So guys, when you guys sign out the account or like sign in the account, you guys will have this page. You guys can create an account with Trade Tracker, or you guys can sign in. Usually I do the Google. I sign in with my Google account, so I just pick this one, and then it just logs me straight in. Obviously the video P&I I still gotta fix, and most of it still gotta fix on just that end. Daily is about the same. You guys can also do last month. You guys can do custom. You guys can pick the dates of, like, you know, where you wanna see, like, you know, if you want to see like a certain month or a certain year or a certain, like, you know, time, you guys can do that as well. Same with weekly. Not right now. Broker Connect. I'm doing something. You can connect with TraderBait as well. So this is where you'll connect. You'll connect through TraderBait right here. You just put like the user. Like, you can go to like an account. I wouldn't show my accounts right now, but you can just put the account user and then the password, and then you have to go to the app ID and put the API setting. So I think let's go to like TradingView real quick. Let's log out and then say we want to log back in. Demo. This one is kind of different because you can just go from the drop down menu and look. But I think you have to go to the actual TraderBait app and then look through there. So that's a little different. Yeah, but I'm gonna try it out later. I gotta make sure everything works before I drop it. We have the consistency calculator. This is where you guys will select your firm. So say if you're doing like Tradeify, it has like a what? I know the funded has like a 35% consistency or like a 40% consistency. So you'll just be like, okay, you'll just put the plan. Like, let's say this one is like this growth plan. The growth plan. And then we'll do like what, a 25K account like I have, and then qualified. And then, yeah, target is that. So it will just tell you, boom, you make $1,000 one day. You can add another row, $300 the next day, add another row, $500 the next day, boom, add another row, maybe $600 the next day, and then add another row, $800 the next day. And then once you be like, okay, check consistency, boom, it tells you right here, your best day right here, total P&L. It says target reach. All days are within the 35 consistency rule. So this is what it'll look like. But if it's not there in that rule, this is what it will tell you. It will just say you need one day. You reach the target, but you still got to be consistent. And I want to change it to where it tells you how much you need to be in that consistent range. I'm gonna add that as well to the consistent area. And then obviously settings, you guys can export your data, sync your data inside the app, and import data inside the app. You guys can also go to Project X, NinjaTrader, and Rhythmic, and anything that's CSV. You can download the files and just click which one and choose the file. I'm trying to fix the presets for these. These presets are kind of glitched still. But you guys are able to change the colors. So if you want like, you know, this color right here, it should save, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you guys can save colors like that as well. Logging trades is also right here. I just changed some different things with it. So you guys have obviously the checklist. You have accounts that you can choose. You have long or short. You have the risk. You can also edit that freely. Trade date, obviously. And then you have the time of the trade. So say if you trade only AM session, you can be like, okay, I took this trade at 9:50 around macro time, put AM, and then you can rate the trade. So if the trade is really good, it's a good setup. If it's perfect setup, it's 5 stars. If it's a mid setup, average setup, 3 stars. If it's not that good, below. And then if it's the worst setup, it means poor setup. I mean, you know. But and then it tells you everything right here. You guys will have entry model and TP zone with result. And you can also add the images with extra notes that you want to put, and then you'll just save the trade. So this is what I have so far. This is just more like a simple. I probably add things in the future, but right now this is simple. You guys can also log in, and then for mobile, once I fix that, I will show you guys how to do it on, like, download this or like put this on your home screen on mobile, so you guys will able to. Usually you probably don't even need to use this on mobile. You'll probably just need a PC anyways. But you know, if you want to just show your friends like your P&L, like go to your mobile app and then just show them like, okay, here's my P&L right here. Then I want it to be accessible so you guys can, like, you know, use. And then everything right here, you guys can know the bullet points all work. Everything here works. Everything here works. And you know, sliders right there. It looks better on the sliders look good on mobile. I'm not gonna lie, I did see it. And also what I did add is before you guys can see the attachments for the dates, but now you guys can. So when you put an attachment on the P&L calendar, the attachment will show on the daily. So like for the day that you put attachment, it will also show right here, and you can see also right there. If you want to add any screenshots, it will be added. But for the weekly, I didn't do it because I want it to be kind of be separate. So, you know, unless you guys want me to like make an attachment, but like put it for the days, you know. But you guys can obviously upload it if you want. You can make a collage if you want. Whatever you want, you can just put it here. I didn't put anything there for you guys, so it's just for you. And obviously here you guys can see I made it kind of different from the P&L calendar, just so you guys can have like a grasp. Like it's just a little different, you know, a little different. It says add video, you know, things like that, things of that nature. And yeah, I mean, everything is good, cleared. I think I went over everything. You guys have, obviously, you guys can change the colors of literally everything, bro. I mean, those colors that I just did change the chart for this, like the chart colors, like the numbers and stuff, like the y-axis numbers and the x-axis numbers. You know, I mean, yeah, I think I got over everything with that app. Google is kind of still a little bit laggy, a little bit. I don't know. Maybe it might be different on your guys' PCs or your end. Just let me know. And yeah, settings, consistent, broker connect, all your trades, daily and weekly trades, video, P&L. If you guys want to do videos for your P&L and explain your strategy to yourself, so you guys can, instead of just writing it, you just tell it to yourself and explain what you did that day and put it on here. Also, you can put TikToks if you want, like your little TikToks. You can just put it on the dates, and I want it to save as well. P&L, still good. 2 trades, 1 trade, whatever. And overview, it's also good. So this is what it's looking like currently. Yep. You guys, let me know how you guys like it. Yeah, bro. This is called ICT Trade Tracker Pro, apparently. So hey. Let's do it, bro. Let's see if we can just get this app on the surface. I'm out. This is literally free right now. This is free. I'm not really charging anything for it. As you guys can see, like, this is literally what the beginning looks like. As soon as you guys open the app, you guys will literally be brought to this page. Like literally just sign in. That's it. Just create an account. You can create an account. You can sign into an account. You can use a Google login. If you forget your password, obviously you probably gotta put your email first, and then it will just be sent to your email. Let me see if it actually sent to my email. Just to make sure. Let's see. You sign in. Apple. Recent email sent. I actually don't see it right now. Maybe it's like maybe it has to be like later or some shit. I don't really know. It doesn't really send. I probably gotta fix it as well. So it's like slight little things I gotta fix, slight little broken things I gotta fix. But yeah, if you guys want to sign in, obviously you just sign in right here. Easy, simple. Just log in. Everything's saved to your login. And yeah. So if I were to log in with a different account, it's not gonna be saved. It's gonna be a totally different thing. So if I want to log in with this account here, let's put this one. Okay, boom. Yeah, you see. Oh, it's still saved. Maybe it's in a browser. I don't know, but it's still saved to this other account, which is weird. But hey, I'll probably have to maybe fix that. I don't know. That's crazy. All right. Well, I probably gotta fix that as well. So yeah, slight things I gotta fix. But everything else is good. The whole setup is how I want it. I just gotta fix the little things like browser. I need to write it down. Browser. Just slight shit like the consistency, mobile, and yeah, that's it. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys are liking it. Yeah. See you guys on the next video. Day 4, day 5, some fucking day, I don't know. But hope you guys like it. Peace.